Hello guys. Today we're going to be playing Sonic Dash Sonic Boom. So let's play. All right. So paper prize. I got a paper prize. Okay. I don't know what that was about. What's here? Oh, it's open. Yee, what is that? Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's try to play. Oh, let's run. All right. Let's go. All right. Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh, man. I like this guy. Okay, so I have to find... Oh! What? I already died? No. Come on. Alright, let's try again, I guess.
Bring it on.
Let's make sure to go. Wow. No. Oh, yeah. Oh. Pew, pew, pew. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, man. Right, so... Red ring. Yes. Red ring. Right, so let's go. Boom. Boom. Oh, man. Right, this game is pretty hard, but easy when you know Sonic. A lot of Sonic things. Oh, welcome to my house. Oh, I want to be Sonic. Sonic. Yeah. Okay. Sonic, you are up. Ooh-wee. Cool. Sonic, you are fastest ever made. Your fastest hedgehog ever made. No. Ooh. Grab me. Ooh. Two prizes. No. Ooh. Yay. All right. So I got some 100. Oh, sprites. I love Sprite. Wait, do they help you collect coins? Does the pink one help you collect coins and the green one? Oh my goodness. I don't know. Okay. Sorry, but we only have time to get one more run. So let's go. Ah! Oh yeah. Oh. Whoa. Shield. I'm in the. Why do I always have to do that? Hey, crabs. Why are you always doing hand ups? No, I just messed up. Oh goodness. Scare me. Whoa. Yeah, man. Alright, so... Come on. Oh, I exploded. No. I exploded again. No. Whoa. What the moms? Alright. Still there. Got 9 starting rings. See any prizes? Please. Oh yes! Prizes! I got a prize. What is it? It's a... Okay. Alright, later. Okay guys, bye!